You need to hear this if you're finally building your own PC. CPU installation seems scary, but watch how easy it actually is. First, pop open your PC case. Find the motherboard socket. Unlock the CPU latch, don't force it. Line up the tiny triangle on your chip with the one on the socket. Gently drop the CPU in, no pressure needed. Close the latch until it clicks. Now add a dab of thermal paste. Then secure your cooler on top. Plug in the cooler's cable, close the case boom. You're set. Power on and watch your PC come to life. Easy, right?